Well, hey everybody, welcome back to the Canning Nana. I'm going to show you how I make my charcuterie board. And we have this wonderful piece of live wood that we do our charcuterie on. So I'm going to start by placing a little handful of grapes right here in the middle. And I've started cutting up some olives. So I'm going to do some sliced olives and then some whole olives. And I'm going to cut up some celery. I have some mozzarella cheese right here that I'm going to use, that's sliced. I have some Italian dried salami slices and just a little cheese slice, excuse me, a cheese slice tray. This is all from Aldi, most of it. And then some artichoke hearts that are marinated I'm going to put in there. So I'll show you how I put all this together. Okay, so I went ahead and I placed my celery on the board, just like that. Okay, so what I've done is I've taken a slice of the cheese and I've broke it in half and then placed it on the board here and tucked it underneath the celery so that you don't see the kind of mangled end of the celery. So now I got to fix that again. And then I'll go ahead and do that all the way around the board. Okay, so I've done that all the way around the board, and that's what it looks like. So now I'm going to put the olives on. Okay, so place the olives, and now we're going to put a slice of mozzarella on each side. Couple of them. This side of the board is kind of, it's not an evenly sided board. Okay. So, next is some crackers. That's salami. We're going to do the salami. Okay, so we've put the mozzarella on, the salami on. I put some more olives on there, and I'm going to attempt to put some crackers on here, but I'm going to put crackers on the side as well. Okay, so I'm going to do that. I'm doing this one-handed, so that's why I keep bringing you guys back. And then my artichoke hearts, I'm just going to put on the side in a little dish, and then put it on the table. So how's that look so far? Pretty good. Okay, so got it all on there. How does that look, you guys? So, although I didn't get my artichoke hearts on there, I'm going to put it in a bowl, like I said, and then put it on the table, and I will show you guys on our Thanksgiving feast video all of everything that we've made. But how does that look? Let me know in the comments below, and comment charcuterie board for the word of the day for this video for our giveaway, and let me know what you think. So this is a really simple charcuterie board. It did not cost that much, but it's perfect for what we're doing and for the amount of people we have. So I may have a giveaway for the person who can guess how many guests we're having for Thanksgiving when you guys see how much food we have in our turkey feast video, when you see all the food that we've made. So stay tuned for that video and let me know what you think of our charcuterie board. Don't forget to comment the word of the day in this video, and let me know if you guys make a charcuterie board for the holidays, for Thanksgiving or Christmas, and what you add to it. I usually add a lot more cold cuts, prosciutto, gabagool, capicola in English. So, but yeah, so this is just a little bit of what we do. Usually I put brie on here too, but I could not find brie yesterday. So this is what we have. So let me know what you guys add and what you love to have for charcuterie. Like I said, this probably costs me maybe maybe $12. And if I had to buy this, this would probably cost me about $50, right, babe?
More than that.
Yeah, maybe more than that. So, yeah, easy, easy. So, we love our charcuterie boards, and
we just love eating.
we're foodies, you guys. We just love eating. Yeah, he's right. So, lots of food videos coming up. So, thanks for watching. Happy Thanksgiving again, and we will see you soon.